Canada is a well-liked travel destination because of its breathtaking scenery, energetic cities, and friendly people. Canada, which is the largest nation in North America, is a vast land that includes breathtaking mountains, pristine forests, open grasslands, and Arctic tundra. A mosaic of multicultural communities may be found in Canada, despite the fact that the majority of the population is of British and French ancestry. Here are some of Canada's top tourist destinations. Number 10. Island of Cape Breton. Although Cape Breton Island is in the northeastern Nova Scotia, it was previously an independent colony until it was compelled to reunite in 1820. It is still the only location in North America where Gaelic is spoken, having attracted tens of thousands of Scottish immigrants in the early 19th century. The highlight of its breathtaking surroundings is without a doubt Cape Breton Highlands National Park, with its amazing Cabot Trail and lovely viewpoint places. Don't forget about the charming fishing towns like Bay St. Lawrence, where you can get some fantastic seafood. Number 9. Montreal. Montreal, Canada's second largest city after Toronto, is also the commercial and financial hub of the province of Quebec. Montreal is a lively city with a downtown area, a historic quarter, an entertainment district, and various unique neighborhoods, and is home to the largest French-speaking population outside of Paris, France. The Olympic Tower and other downtown skyscrapers, Old Montreal's historic buildings, and several theme and water parks are among Montreal's top tourist attractions. Number 8. Whistler. The Whistler Resort is the biggest and most well-known alpine skiing destination in North America, thanks to two magnificent mountains by the names of Whistler and Blackcomb. Whistler, located in British Columbia's Coast Mountains, is a 2-hour journey from Vancouver along the Sea to Sky Highway, one of Canada's most picturesque routes. Whistler Village, Creekside, and Upper Village are 3 charming settlements that may be found at the foot of the two mountains. Visitors are transported from the settlements to the mountains via the peak-to-peak gondola. Number 7. Victoria Island. The largest island off the west coast of North America is called Vancouver Island after the British explorer George Vancouver. It may be reached by ferry across the San Juan Islands and is across from Washington State, from Anacortes, from Port Angeles on the Olympic Peninsula, or from mainland Vancouver. Number 7. Victoria, British Columbia. The charming city of Victoria, the breathtaking Butchart Gardens, the surf town of Tofino, and the wilderness in the north of Vancouver Island are all well known. From these locations, one may take a ferry to Prince Rupert or Alaska. Number 6. Quebec City. Despite being the 5th provincial capital of Quebec, in eastern Canada, Quebec City appears more like a quaint European village because of its French heritage, architecture, and language. The city's old quarter, Vieux Quebec, is perched on a hilltop with a view of the St. Lawrence River. A stroll through the old city's cobblestone streets provides opportunities to see attractions. The region where explorer Samuel de Champlain founded the first French settlement in North America is like the Citadel and the Place Royale, which was created at the magnificent Chateau Frontenac, a symbol of the city and the 8th most photographed hotel in North America, gives tours even to those who don't plan to stay the night. 5. Toronto, the capital of Ontario, is one of the largest cities in North America and the city with the highest population in Canada. Toronto is one of the most culturally varied cities in the world, with a huge variety of ethnic neighborhoods like Chinatown, Little India, and Little Italy. The city's top tourist attractions include magnificent landmarks like the recognizable CN Tower and Casa Loma's fanciful castle. The Toronto Islands are another well-liked vacation spot with beaches and outdoor activities. 4. Churchill. The northern Manitoba region's top tourist destination is without a doubt the small town of Churchill, at least during the fall. When the polar bears migrate inland, Churchill earns the moniker Polar Bear. The best periods to view this polar bear migration are October and early November, but travelers can also see them in the summer on boat cruises along Hudson Bay. Bears occasionally get lost and end up in towns where they are kept in prison until they can be released back into the wild. Thousands of beluga whales migrate around July and August, making those months attractive travel seasons. Number 3. Niagara Falls. On the boundary of Canada's Ontario and the United States' New York, there are a trio of breathtaking waterfalls known as Niagara Falls. The best views and most attractions are on the Horseshoe Falls side of the falls in Ontario. The immediate vicinity of the falls is a popular tourist destination, and it is crowded with observation towers, restaurants, gift stores, casinos, and high-rise hotels. From Queen Victoria, one of the best spots to see the Niagara Falls on the Ontario side, the summer season has nightly fireworks displays at the park where the falls are illuminated. Second, Vancouver, located in British Columbia between the Coast Mountains and the Pacific Ocean, is well known for its magnificent landscapes, which offer visitors a natural playground where they can go swimming in the ocean, rollerblading through picturesque parks, and snow skiing in the mountains, all in the same day. Vancouver, Canada's third-largest metropolis, is one of the most populous Canadian tourist destinations. The main attraction in Vancouver is Stanley Park, a sizable area of trees, gardens, and open areas. Some of the city's other top attractions are Chinatown's bustling selection of stores and Granville Island's outstanding food market. Number 1. Banff National Park. The Banff National Park, which is located in the Canadian province of Alberta, is not only the country's first national park, but also one of the biggest and busiest. Along the Trans-Canada Highway, the park's stunning beauty and abundant animals draw a large number of visitors each year. There's also a highway that runs through the park. Numerous species of mammals can be found in Banff National Park, including black bears, grizzly bears, bison, moose, wolves, and bald eagles.